Hey Leo, how's it going, my loves? This is Monica Sheila back from Intro to Soul 78. Thank you so much for being a part of the channel tonight. Welcome everybody and newcomers. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with your guys' love reading for December 2021. I'm going to do a side-by-side, excuse me, and then we will get into the tarot. Alright, Spirit, show me the messages that are for the person that my Leo is dealing with. What is their current lesson in love for Leo's person? Leo's person in love. I got the card Humor. I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. So your person may be taking something really seriously or can't see the humor in the relationship or in a situation. And for Leo, what is their current lesson? So Spirit's asking them to find the humor in life. Okay. Leo, you guys got empathy. I am open to seeing both sides of a situation. So this card is about putting yourself in your person's shoes, what they're going through, how they're feeling, or how they view the matter. And let's pull some Untitled Wellness. How does Leo's person view the relationship currently in December 2021? How is Leo's person viewing the relationship this month? For Leo's person, they got the card Coffee Cup. Meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, friendship. So your person may like going out on dates with you. That's for somebody who's in a brand new relationship, just started getting to know each other. They're really enjoying the moment. And for Leo, please. Or your person just may view you as a close friend. Like you guys are in a friendship rather than a relationship. So, Leo, you got looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. It feels like past energy there. Anyhow, you could be going over photos, looking at good memories that you guys had together. And your person is just enjoying the moment, it feels like. Okay? So, what do the romance angels have to say for your person? For Leo's person, please, December 2021. Leo's person in love. Romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. My fish tank's all loud in the back. You can probably hear the water going. Okay, for Leo. Romance angels for Leo. Okay, my loves, you guys got the card Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So the reason you may not be enjoying every moment with this person, Leo, is because I feel that some of you guys are still thinking or wondering about somebody from your past. Okay, and that could be why the empathy card is here. Put yourself in your person's shoes. Would you want them to do that? And then about your person being more lighthearted, enjoying, it seems like they enjoy every minute that they have with you, but more on a platonic level. But they do, however, have romantic feelings for you that they would like to explore, or that they will be beginning to explore. Alright, loves, let's find out what your person is bringing into the relationship. For your person, for the person that Leo is dealing with, December 2021 Spirit. What are they bringing to the relationship? What is their energy like? Current energies for Leo's person. Thank you. We got the Four Swords. Your person could be healing from something or just needing to rest. They could be feeling sick. It is that month, you know, or that season in the Northern Hemisphere. We got the card the Moon in reverse. It's about something coming to light, becoming aware of something, sort of enlightenment, a secret or something like that could be coming out. Let me see here. What are the energies for Leo's person, December 2021? We had the Two of Cups reversed. Two of Cups reversed tells me that you guys could be on a break, or your person doesn't view this relationship as a love relationship, or like it hasn't gotten off the ground yet. I feel for some of you guys could be nearing an end or towards the end of a relationship. It seems like your person is wondering about that because of something that they may have found out that hurt them. Okay, at the bottom of the deck, your person got the card Justice. So you could be dealing with a Libra. We also have Pisces. We have more Libra energy. And then we have Two of Cups, which is going to be Cancer energy. Sorry about that. It took me a minute. Okay, so I feel like with your person recently was feeling wounded or hurt about something. They're trying to make a decision here with the Four Swords. With the Three of Swords coming before that, it means that they were heartbroken, hurt, upset, angered about something that came out. Some sort of secret or something that came out. And it could be what is holding up this relationship, why the card is in reverse, the Two of Cups. It's usually a beautiful card when it's in the upright. It's about people seeing eye to eye. Okay, and then we got the Justice card coming out. When Justice card comes out, it means Justice is here to level out the playing field. It's here to make things right. Where there was an injustice, justice will be restored. Okay, depending on where you fall on the spectrum of that. But they're trying to take a break, trying to think things through, trying to see things clearly, trying to understand things. For some of you guys are definitely on a break with your person or in some sort of separation in this situationship, it looks like. Let me see what you're bringing to the table. What is my Leo bringing to the table? Show me current energies for my Leos, please. Thank you, Spirit. You got the card Nine of Pentacles. That's a beautiful card to get, Leo. This is about independence. So, yeah, a lot of you guys are in separation. Okay? It's about independence. It's beauty. It is self-supportive. This person is very self-supportive. Can handle their own. They work hard, play hard. They love themselves, love to make things beautiful. This is pre-Empress energy, so she will become the Queen of Pentacles, which will become the Empress one day. Beautiful energy. So you're all up in your independence, okay? Very beautiful. What is Leo's energy in this relationship during this time? What's the energy that they're bringing? And we got the Page of Swords in reverse. So, Leo, this could be a card of somebody who is not being forthcoming, someone who is lying, someone gossiping, somebody who is not willing to put in any work or energy into something. We have the Temperance in reverse. This is usually about peace, harmony, balance, the right timing. When it's in the reverse, it's something that's rushed. Something that maybe you didn't think through. Here's another card here. We have the Four Swords in reverse. So this is you needing to take a break, needing to relax, needing to see things from a different perspective, a different outlook, and the need for you to think things through. On the bottom of the deck, we have Queen of Cups. So, you definitely could be dealing with a Cancer. We also have any air sign here. We have Virgo, Sagittarius. We have Libra energy with the Four Swords reversed. There's a lot of Libra here. We have 3 cards for Libra. So let me see. I feel like you're indulging in self-love at this time. I think that your cup is closed off to whoever this person is. I think that you're taking care of yourself and what's best or what's good for you. Okay? You may be working really hard at this time or having a lot of work at this time. You may have recently moved as well, or getting settled in somewhere brand new, or just arranging, making your home beautiful. Of course, that's right for the holidays. The Page of Swords in your energy I don't like, because this is a energy of somebody who is false. Somebody who is not telling the truth about something. They're lying, they're gossiping, they are doing things underhandedly. Something happened in a huge rush. And both of you guys getting the Four of Swords. One in the upright, one in the reverse. I feel like you're not wanting to confront something. Some sort of problem in the relationship. Leo, let me clarify real quick. Show me the Moon reverse. What came to light, please, for Leo's person? What came to light for Leo's person? Excuse me. We got the Lovers in the upright. That's a fated relationship. That's a blessed relationship. That's something that's meant to be. Damn, Ten of Swords. So your person is feeling betrayed. Or they may have found out that they were betrayed. They're very guarded with the Nine of Wands up. They're feeling very guarded. They found out something in regards to your guys' relationship and they feel betrayed by it. And it looks like that's why they ended or want to end the relationship, and they're unsure about it at this point. Show me the Two of Cups reversed. We got the Leo card. We got Strength. Show me more, please. So your person is no longer investing in you, Leo, with the Leo card, and then the Seven of Pentacles reversed. So your person is unwilling to invest anymore in you or in this relationship because they feel betrayed by you in some type of way. Okay? It pained them a lot, and they feel that justice is going to be served in due time. Let me see here. Why is this card here, the Page of Swords, please, Spirit? Who was lying or what's going on here? Oh, we have the Queen of Cups. So, what was the lie about? Seven of Wands, somebody being blocked. Trying to cover up what? Oh, a relationship from the past. So there's a relationship from the past, Leo, that you're obviously not over. It looks like your person found out about it. You may have been in a rush to pursue this, or in a rush to start a relationship with somebody while being in this relationship with this person, and you were in a rush to try to get things going or back on with somebody from your past. There's a lot of things from the past that you are unable to let go of. Let me see what's the Temperance card in reverse for. What is Temperance in reverse, please, Spirit? We got the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, things are definitely going to be changing for you. Whether it's for the good or for the bad is up to you, right? It's up to your past actions. But it's definitely karmic. The karmic wheel is turning. We have instability and unhappiness at home. We have Four of Wands reversed. What else? One more card, please. What is coming up? What is the Temperance in reverse? And Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you guys might be regretting in the future this decision to go back to a past person or to deal with the past person while you're in a relationship. It's only going to hurt you in the future. I feel like this person made you feel good about yourself. The person from the past maybe didn't. And there's some sort of pain that's going to be coming with that. Maybe it's pain of letting go of this relationship, or the pain that's going to be brought onto you by this other relationship, or simply pain by dealing with two people. Clarify the Queen of Cups, please. Clarify my Queen of Cups. We have the Four of Cups in the reverse. So this may be somebody new in your life, like the person from the past that is coming back into your life. And I feel like this person may have rejected you in the past. That's why you guys broke up. Now they're back into your life. And now you want to check things out, see how it goes. Ooh, we have the King of Cups in reverse and the Devil. So the King of Cups in reverse is somebody who is usually married, or they're a father, or they're in a long-term commitment. But when they're in the reverse, they're unfaithful, unreliable, they're a liar. They don't live up to their word. They can be very cold and closed off. And with the Devil being here next to him, that tells me third party. Big time third party here. So somebody's being rejected for a third party. That's what's going on here on your end, it looks like. Yeah, pretty foolish mistake, it looks like, for you, Leo. Trying to win at all costs. This is like somebody who's hellbound to win. Even if it makes them unhappy, with the Empress being in reverse, doing things underhanded, being shady, Seven of Swords, the Moon, it's all going to come out. Being sneaky, the Magician, not knowing what to do now. So, remember guys, this is just a general reading. It won't resonate with everybody. So this could be, if you feel like you resonate more on your personal side, then take it as it resonates. If you feel like you resonate more right here to my left, then take it as it resonates. But it won't resonate with everybody. It'll either be your story or it won't. For me, here, the Leos are dealing with somebody from their past while in a relationship. And maybe you're going back to the past person because your current person views you more as a friend, not necessarily as a partner in love. They have romantic feelings, but it's like they like you, but they're not in love with you. And maybe for attention's sake, or so to make yourself feel better or something, you went back to the past to go make yourself feel better or something like that. That's kind of what it feels like, Leo, to be honest. Alright, let me get some final messages for you. For Leo, please. What is their message for Leo? And your card says, stop criticizing yourself. You are perfect just the way you are. Yeah, I was kind of getting that earlier. Remember I was telling you maybe this person doesn't make you feel the best about yourself. So you went back for the way the person from the past makes you feel. And one for your person. Oh, here we go. Life is a great big canvas. Throw all the paint on it that you can. That's beautiful. Alrighty, that was pretty cut and clear, this reading. Okay, my loves, that is what I have for you guys for the month of December. Let me know in the comments how it resonates with you guys. If anybody's needing a love reading, I am doing a $20 special this month. So go ahead and email me at intuitivesoul2978@outlook.com. I will be looking forward to meeting up with you, scheduling an appointment. And do me a favor, if you will, please, this is still a brand new channel. Hit like, subscribe, share, hit the notifications bell if you want to be notified when I upload more videos. Alright guys, good night.